This is a device having 3-in-1 alarm system for baby bed wetting, and here is the on off switch, and this button helps to choose the different modes. It is a mode button. If we press like this is the music button. Music. If we place a small drop of water on this sensor, it starts. And when we again press, this is the vibration mode. And third mode is the multi LED mode. This is the multi LED mode. Here is the button for volume control.